Hey guys, I'm going on my very first road trip today. Like, first time with me driving. I'm just about to go pick up Sam. Yeah, I'll show you guys pretty soon because I'm in a bit of a rush at the moment. Yeah, I'm just pretty much going to pick up Sam and then we're going to leave from my house. My mum and dad, sister and nephew are all coming too, but they're going in their own car. So yeah, see you guys soon. Are you?
I don't know. Oh yeah, now I am.
Does it say this?
Yeah, the strap was covering the recording.
Oh, right, okay. So I've got Sam now and we're just on the road.
In 1 kilometre, at the roundabout, take the first exit onto Midland Highway towards Kempton.
Okay. So yeah, we probably won't, I get Sam to do a bit of vlogging of like the drive and stuff, but yeah, probably won't be able to talk much until we actually arrive. I don't know what the speed limit is here, Sam. I don't know. Anyway. So yeah, anyway, we're just on the way now and yeah, I'll update you guys later. Bye. Okay, so we just stopped in Campbelltown. We just had some lunch. We went to the lolly shop. I got a grape Fanta. I'm so excited. We got lots of lollies. Show them the bag. He doesn't. No, you show them inside. Very exciting. We can do a haul later, can't we? So now we've got about another hour or so to where we're going. So yeah, I'll let you guys know when we're there. We just got to the hotel. It's really pretty here. The hotel room is just like pretty standard. It's quite nice though. The view is so nice. It's like the main part of the room, isn't it, Sammy?
Yeah.
I'm tired. Are you tired? No? Really?
No.
Oh. We got some lollies. I just tried candy corn for the first time. I was so excited. I've never ever tried it before and I don't really like it. Like, it's okay, but it's just not what I thought. So, I'm about to have this now. Fizz Cola Chew. These like remind me so much of my childhood. We just got some other lollies and stuff. Probably just chill for a bit, hey? It's like early afternoon and the guy said that there isn't really much like in town for tea, so we might have to go somewhere. So that's fine. But yeah, I'll let you guys know when we're doing something. I had a nap, but we're going for a walk now. Shut up. We're going for a walk now to get some pizza. Mum and Dad are on the bridge already, but look how pretty it is here. It's so pretty. The beach is over there, you can't really see it, and I'll show you when we're on the bridge. We just got some tea and we're walking back home now. The view is just so beautiful. It's like such a beautiful walk, isn't it? Did you like your tea?
I did.
We both got beer battered fish or whatever it was, and chips. It's just so pretty here. Love it. We're just heading home now. I forgot to finish or say goodnight last night, but we pretty much just, after we had our tea, we just went to bed. I was so tired from driving and I think Sam was tired too. But yeah, it's the next morning now. I'm in Mum and Dad's room. This is Cooper. Say hello. Say hello.
Hello, Freddy.
What?
I said hello, Freddy.
Who's Freddy?
Freddy the cat.
Oh my god, you're silly. This is the view from Mum and Dad's room. They've got like the what do you call it, the playground and stuff there. I think I'm gonna go for a walk to the shop and get some breakfast. But yeah. Yeah, today we're going on a boat tour, which I'm excited about. So yeah, I'll show you guys that. So I've just done my hair and my makeup. We're about to leave to go on the boat tour. I spilled my drink bottle in my bag, so Sam's cleaning it for me. Thanks, darling.
Sorry.
Sam got stuck out on the balcony so we had to call the housekeeping guy, whatever it's called. What's it called? Room service. But anyway, we're about to go on the boat tour now, so we have to drive to Bishano. That's about a 40-minute drive or something. So yeah, we're gonna go get on the road and yeah, see you at Bishano. We're at Bishano now and it is so beautiful here. I'm so excited. We're going on a glass, what's it called, glass bottom boat tour, so like you can see the water and stuff. I'm so excited. Cannot wait. So yeah, we're probably, our thing isn't for, oh thanks, I don't think our thing's for like another hour or so, so we might go do something before then, but I'm just so excited. It's so beautiful, like honestly. Yeah, I'll show you guys on the boat. Look how pretty. It's so cool here. I love it. I'm so excited. It's so beautiful. I'm so worried I'm gonna fall over. Sam, what would you do if a huge big wave just came? What would you do if a huge big wave just came? We're on the glass boat now. Where is it? Can't see it.
The local sharks in here are grasshoppers sharks or the sand sharks. They're a harmless scavenging shark. The gummy shark's what you're after. There's just a bit surgy in here at the moment. It's a bit of breeze kicking in the We're only just hit the low tide. It's only a couple of metres deep here. Yeah, you've got to look really carefully. The kelpies or the rats, they hide in the weed. That's what we call them, kelpies.
We've finished the boat tour now, and now we are at Nature World, and we've got some geese here.
I don't think they are geese.
Look, Sam, what do you think this creature is?
They're not geese.
What do you reckon that is?
Never seen one in the wild before.
Hello! You're so cute! Look at you, look at their little green beaks. Look, our nails match.
Do you reckon you can pat them?
I don't know, but look, my nails match their beak.
Hello.
Mum! Look, we match.
Oh, you sound scary. Hello.
Imagine if they bit.
How
Imagine if
are
it bit
you?
your face off.
Wow. Hello. This is so cool.
I think they are geese. I swear he just farted.
Hello. It's his little nose.
Oh.
Because that's why I said he said it's scary, because when he came up to me he went...
Oh, I thought he
his nose,
farted.
like, perfect.
And there's all the kangaroos down there. They're so cute. Can you, yeah. This is the Tasmanian wedge-tailed eagle. But I don't get it, because if it's an eagle, wouldn't it fly away?
Where's the nest here?
But that's not very, like, foolproof, you know? Can you get in with it? Where is it, Poppy? Wow, oh, he's so cute. But don't they fly away, Dad? Why don't they fly away?
I don't know if their wings are being them.
Oh, I hope not. They're so cute. Here we have some kangaroos. Hello. Are you allowed to touch it?
Yeah, you just got it.
Oh, he's so cute.
You.
I've got some food for it if you want, Papa. Hello, darling. Mia. Oh, hello. You're so pretty. Oh, pretty boy. We'll go over here and we can feed them. Oh, Sammy.
You grabbed my hand.
Oh, we loved ya. They're so cute. Oh, look, there's some babies. Or like some small ones. Alright, I'm going to turn my camera off so I can feed them.
Those and stuff are going to have the two, like this fella just here. But yeah, it's very much randomised. Around about
Can you move over so I can
16%
turn
of all
off the camera?
devils are actually jet black. They have none whatsoever. But something that most people don't
It's
know
for my
about
vlog.
Tassie devils. They also are seen spotted out in the wild. So they've been seen with spots and the horizontal stripe. So those two sort of different
Oh, they're
animals there
mean.
are sort of both ends of their family tree. So the Tassie devils fall in between the spotted tail coal and the Tasmanian tiger in terms of our age anyway.
Now they
So
can't
that
follow.
sort of explains as to why they are as they are.
They're good friends.
No, they can't fight.
So that gorgeous squealy sound is pretty much why they primarily are named the devil. You know, it sort of makes sense. In those early settler days, they actually believed these guys were terrible creatures. You know, they're blamed for just about everything under the sun. These guys only get to around 13 kilograms. They originally believed that the Tasmanian devil was hunting things as large as cows and was still a solitary hunter. So, you know, there's loads of stories out there about the Tasmanian devil being that sort of big, scary, you know, predator. Unfortunately, not true. Maybe for us, but, you know, everything else is pretty much safe out there. They are very much that scavenger. So they sort of follow their nose around, just like that fella was doing just there, and eat whatever they do have lying around. They will consume just about everything on those carcasses, so fur, bone, eyes, claws, internal organs. The only thing that often will be...
Guys, look at this. We have a little Joey, a little baby. Oh, that is so cute. Hello, little baby. Oh, the mummy's so scared. I feel bad for her. She's very nervous. Oh, she's having something to eat. There's a little baby. It's so cute.
She could feed the little Joey.
How do they... Does the Joey just have milk?
I'm not sure.
It's so cute. I love it. Hey guys, I don't remember where we left off. I think it was at the wildlife park. Well, anyway, we finished up at the wildlife park and then I went to home. We went like to the hotel for a bit. I had a nap and then we went for tea. I got, what were they called? Salt and pepper squid. It was so nice. But yeah, we went out for tea last night. It was so nice. And now today is the last day. We're just packing and getting ready to go. We have about 20 minutes until we have to leave. We're gonna go get some pancakes. I know this vlog probably hasn't shown you guys like everything that we're doing and stuff. It's just, this is more of like, I don't know, like until I get my smaller camera, it is so hard to just whip out my camera and vlog all the time because this camera, it requires 2 hands. Like, it's not like I can just, I don't know, like when I feel like once I get my smaller camera and stuff, like it'll be so much easier to vlog. That's something that I want to do in the new year, is get my vlogging camera and, yeah, and start up on my vlog channel again. I don't think I'll start focusing on my vlog channel until I've hit my goal of 10,000 subscribers on my main channel, because yeah, I don't want to take on too many goals at once. But yeah, once I hit 10,000 on my main channel, like this channel, then I think that's when I'll start focusing my vlog channel again and hopefully doing like weekly vlogs and then, you know, doing daily vlogs, or I don't know. But yeah, so I hope you guys will still enjoy today's vlog. I'll try and get some footage of the pancakes. But yeah, I will talk to you guys soon.